APA provides standardized guidelines for citing information within the body of your paper. What is an in-text citation? An in-text citation gives the reader of your paper limited information: the author's name, the year of publication, and if the source is directly quoted, it will include a page number. When do I use an in-text citation? You must use in-text citations in the body of your paper to cite the sources you have used. You must use in-text citations to tell the reader that the quote or idea came from another source. Each in-text citation should also correspond to a citation in your reference list so the reader can locate the information. How do I format an in-text citation? Good question. When formatting your in-text citations, you will have to consider the following. Are you citing material that you have directly quoted from a source, or are you citing material that you have paraphrased or summarized? Well, what is the difference? When you use exactly the same words from an original source, this is considered a direct quotation, and you must include a proper in-text citation in your paper. For quotations that are shorter than 40 words, you will include the author's last name in the signal phrase, followed by the date of publication in parentheses. Include the quoted material in quotation marks, followed by the page number. For quotations that are longer than 40 words, you will place the quotation on a new line in a freestanding block indented 1/2 inch from the paragraph and omit the quotation marks. Add the page number in parentheses after the closing punctuation mark. When you take material from an original source and put it into your own words, this is called summarizing or paraphrasing, and you must include a proper in-text citation in your paper. When summarizing or paraphrasing a source, you will include the author and the year of publication in parentheses. Although not required by APA, you can include the page number. This can be done two ways. The first sentence uses a parenthetical citation at the end of the sentence before the closing punctuation mark. The second sentence introduces the author in the signal phrase at the beginning of the sentence, followed by the year of publication in parentheses. APA also requires that references to works with multiple authors will be cited in text in a specific format. If you include the author in the signal phrase as part of the sentence, for one author, include the author's last name, followed by the year of publication in parentheses. For two authors, include both authors connected by the word "and", followed by the year of publication in parentheses. For 3 to 5 authors, include all authors separated by a comma, connecting the last author with the word "and", followed by the year of publication in parentheses. And for 6 or more authors, use the first author's name followed by et al. Period, followed by the year of publication in parentheses. If you don't include the author in the signal phrase or introduce the author in the sentence, include the following parenthetical citations at the end of your sentence before the closing punctuation mark. For one author, include the author's last name, a comma, followed by the year of publication. For two authors, include both authors separated by an ampersand, then a comma, followed by the year of publication. For 3 to 5 authors, include all authors separated by commas and include an ampersand before the last author, then a comma, followed by the year of publication. And for 6 or more authors, use the first author's name followed by et al. Period, then a comma, followed by the year of publication. Notice that all of these in-text citations are enclosed in parentheses. For help formatting APA in-text citations, refer to pages 174 to 179 of your APA 6th edition publication manual. You can also refer to the Purdue OWL website, which is a great source for APA formatting.